fundamental challenge for me as the CEO has been to make this big, vast global team walk in the same direction at approximately the same time. So communication has been a key issue for me. I've really learned a lot about the importance and need for having a strong communication strategy. Everybody's, including my own responsibility to make sure that my toolbox is up to date all the time. But I always encourage colleagues to be curious, to reach out, to seek out new learnings, new knowledge about what's going on in the world, and I certainly do that. People often say, look at a football player, he's very lucky, he can live from his hobby and become great. Well, my hobby is to run big companies, and I can live from that, and therefore I feel very lucky.